Hi, my name is SHARIQ QURESHI from Remax Real Estate Center. I'm glad to introduce property 31 Wetmeadow Drive. This is in the posh area of Fletcher's Meadow community, Brampton. I'll show you the tour of the property starting from the driveway. This driveway, if you see, can accommodate easily 2 cars on the driveway and 1 inside. So total 3 car parking on the driveway. I'll show you the other feature of the property. This property is having 3 bedroom, 4 washroom, finished basement and separate entrance, double laundry, double fireplace, 9-feet ceiling, corner unit on the premium lot, high in demand area. Please follow me to see the property. I'm very pleased to show you the property from inside. It's a very nice property. Please come and see. Having 9-feet ceiling, 3 bedroom, 4 washroom, 1 bedroom in the basement, and very good backyard for the summer. Please come on, join me.